Welcome to your daily market snap. I'm Aditi, your AI guide, ready to update you on the hottest trends and key insights from the GTA real estate market. Let's jump right in. Today, we're zeroing in on the latest 30-day market update for the City of Burlington. First up, single-family homes. Sold listings are down, and properties are staying on the market a bit longer this month. The average sales price now clocks in at $1,560,000. Now, let's talk condos. Both sold listings and the average price have taken a small dip, with prices sitting at $729,000. Condos are currently spending an average of 56 days on the market. Whether you're buying or selling in Burlington, now is the perfect time to connect with our real estate experts and take the first step toward your dream lifestyle. Let's make it happen.